Hi, this is Dr. McClellan, and this video is about expository thesis statements. This is a lecture video, and I'm going to explain what an expository thesis statement is, what it should look like, and the three parts that it should use, and what an academic topic is, and why we don't use be verbs. So to start with, an expository thesis statement is just a simple statement about an academic topic. They do not analyze or express an opinion. Your thesis statement should begin with the topic, present your stance, which is your attitude or what you think about or what you want your audience to think about your topic, and then present your essay's plan with a plan of development with three major supporting details. We do not use be verbs in thesis statements. So first, how do you know whether or not your topic is an academic topic? Well, you research it on the LU Library's webpage. Make sure that you've set the limiters on the left side of the webpage to full text, peer-reviewed, and academic journals. If you don't get any hits on your topic, then it is not an academic topic and you need to pick a different topic. You can also check it on Google Scholar, but be sure that you put academic journal peer-reviewed articles in your search engine. Now, besides it being an academic topic, you also need to know enough about your topic to be able to write 400 to 600 words in the pre-writing assignment, which is next, without doing any research. You will not be doing any research. All of this information will come from your own mind. So pick something that you know something about. Don't pick something because you want to know more about it. You want to pick something you already know about. And then we do not use be verbs in our thesis statements, any thesis statements, because it weakens them, and we want strong, active thesis statements so that our audience is engaged. So what I do is, for example, when I did my example, the first word I came up with is apples have. Well, have is a be verb. So then I went to my synonym webpage on dictionary.com and thesaurus.com, and I went and looked up synonyms. Synonyms are words that mean the same thing. They're different words but mean the same thing. And I just looked for synonyms of have, are made up of, just all sorts of things. And I came up with the word contain. So my example here is apples contain fiber, vitamins, and flavor. So my topic is apples. Yes, I did a search for it in the LU's library website, and it is in fact an academic topic. There are a ton of research articles, peer-reviewed research articles about apples. My stance is that they contain, and so my purpose is to show that apples have these three things, and my attitude towards that, or my tone towards that, is that this is positive. So I wanted to use a verb with a positive connotation. So this is my stance, and then this is my plan of development, these three things. The first major supporting detail is fiber. The second major supporting detail is vitamins. And the third major supporting detail, is flavor. These are all major supporting details. And you'll notice, so fiber, vitamins, and flavor are good things. So I'm talking about how my essay, you can already get an idea from my thesis statement, just one thesis statement, that my essay that follows this is going to be about how good and healthy apples are. All right, if you have questions, contact me.